Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the helmet detection on construction site using machine learning. So in that project you have to upload any input image to that model and model will detect that the person is wearing helmet or not. This will be the complete project folder. These are the few images which we can try, and this will be the model. This will be the Python code. Let's open it. So written in the Python language and YOLO algorithm we are using and train the model. We are loading the model and giving the path of that model, predict with the model. So we have to give the image of video path. Okay. So this will be the image path. Save this and try to run. Minimize. Open terminal here and write Python code. Enter. Okay, it will detect that person is wearing helmet from that particular image. Let's upload any other image like d.jpg. Okay. So we have to just rename d.jpg. Okay, just save it and open terminal here and again run Python code. So it will identify that particular female is wearing helmet. Okay, let's try with other image a.jpg. Let's change the name a.jpg. Okay, now open terminal here and again run the code. Now it will identify that person is wearing helmet. So let's try with other image. Let's open the browser and search construction worker. Download any image from that particular browser. Let's download that particular image and save in folder image1 image1.jpg. Save. Let's download one more image. This one. Right click, save as image2. Enter. Okay, images 1 and images 2. Minimize, minimize. Now just write images 1, images1.jpg, jpeg. Okay, just save this code and run from terminal. Now it will identify that person is wearing helmet. Let's give another input image, images 2, and try to run code. See the person with helmet. Okay, it will identify the one helmet person. This will be the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you're searching any type of project ideas or related to computer science domain, then you can contact us. I'll provide the contact link in description. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.